Hi guys, and welcome back to another vlog. It's been quite a long time since I've been on camera, and I've come up here just to get a little look around the city centre, just to kind of jog my memory as to what it looked like because it's almost like I've forgotten what it looks like, because it's almost 2 years since I've been up here. I've actually, what I'm doing today, I've got a new lens. Well, I say it's new, it's actually a second-hand lens. And the lens I bought is the Olympus 14-42mm Mark II. I've already tried out this lens quite locally, and I thought I'd give it a try in town and just see what shots I can get. Yeah, I'm up at the High Street Inn just now in Glasgow, so I figured I'd get a walk around the local sites here, and I'll go up to Glasgow Cathedral, probably have a wee wander around there, and then kind of, yeah, that'll probably be it for today. Yeah, so I'll move on and see what images I get.